This has been a fun wee morning, getting the bike. Right, so just walking to the motorbike. I've got some stuff to do with that throttle linkage. I need to try and put the spring in a tube so as it doesn't catch on the side of the air filter. Just off to the old motorbike here, without falling in all the holes in the road. First gear, right up. A difference in 5 pence. The K&N's actually blowing it worse, especially holding it back. So I'll just do a UE here. Just going to drive it normally now and see what happens. Tractable. That throttle spring that I put in is rubbing on the air filter a bit, so it's a bit of a concern. I might need to reroute it. I'll put a tube in it. Ooh. That is well stuck. This is probably why the guy sold it. Yeah, that's on. Here's what you can do with the right tools, eh? That's it. So we'll get a wee run. See what it pops and bangs like. This is great. This thing gets 130 a gallon. Just went away down at the house and picked up extra tools in it. So a little less effort on the bike, but the hard bit's getting away from the house because it's so heavy. So we'll see what this sounds like. Spilled up. Onboard cam. Sound any different? Anyway, we'll talk a little bit about the motorbike. This is my RKV 125, made by Keeway, marketed as a bender, which means bandage in Spanish. I don't know what that's got to do with motorbikes, and obviously in this country bender means something else, so we changed it to RKV V125. C for cruise, or chopper, whatever you like. It's a great wee bike. I've had this about 18 months now, and sadly I haven't been able to use it because of my health, because I find it very heavy. I had a scooter before this which was still light enough to use even when I was feeling poorly. But anyway, this seems to be the most popular thing on my channel. It's got like 12,000 views, this bike alone. Anyway, back to car repairs. So I'm stuck. The new ones get different sizes of tools and I didn't bring the right ones because I came on a motorbike. I'm going to see if I can borrow them off the motorbike place around the corner. Maybe finish this job. The joys. Finish it Monday. And I bolt it. So I came down on the bike to do the repair in the Morris. The air filter fell apart yesterday. So my K&N one arrived. So hopefully this is a much better design. The lines hold up, the holes line up with the carburetor better. If I'm speaking, it'd be good. So we'll just pop the bonnet here. Yeah, bonnet popped. So these two screws come off here and that back plate come off, and then we'll see what we've got. This has been a fun wee morning, getting the bike.